What's up, guys? Happy Taco Tuesday. And today we got 14 going out, and I still got 7 waiting for payment. I think 4 of those 7 though are going to one customer. All right, so let's go through this. We got some gel pen refills, $16.95. I got this out of a 888 lots box. The one I had showed you guys in a previous video. I only paid $178 for that box. It was 4 boxes. And I had said in the video that there was a lot of boring stuff, but I tell you what, man, this boring stuff been selling at a pretty decent price point. For, you know, seeing how I only paid $2 and some change for each item. Yeah, this stuff been selling at a pretty good price point, and so I'm working on profit on that now. So gel pens refills for $16.95. Took an offer on this rechargeable ring light, just $7 going out. I forget where I got that from. I think it's a liquidation.com box. Some soda CD, 24 season 6 premiere, $4.95 going out. I sold an 8-piece highlighter fluorescent liquid chalk marker pen, $10.95 going out, free ship. That's from the same 888 lots box. I sold this aquarium pump for $16. That's from a liquidation.com box. What else we got? We got these shoes, New Balance. They kind of beat up, man. I listed it like they was and, you know, cleaned them up a little bit, but somebody bought them, man. $19.99, and they paid $8.99 shipping, so I'll take it. I think I only paid $4 and some change for them, $4.99 from the Goodwill. I sold another DVD, $4.99, free ship. Remember, my cost in these DVDs is like a quarter or less. One more DVD, $4.50. I sold some gel pens, $14.99. This is from that same liquidation.com box. Making me some good money, man. Making me some good money. Sold a book. Not that much. This book actually been sitting forever. I'm just glad to see it go for real, for real. Sold a water pick, $45 even. Took an offer on that. That came from a liquidation.com box. So not bad there. Been making my money back on that pretty quickly, and I still got one more box to go through. Sold a lot of 4 DVDs. I've been selling these lots pretty frequently, you know, pretty frequently. $10.95 on this one, going out free ship. Can't remember if this is over £1 or not. I think it's under. Either way, it's only $2.80 if it's under and $3.33 if it's over, and my costing of those DVDs is pretty much nothing. Sold a polo shirt, Ralph Lauren dress shirt, $20. This is one of the things I got from Gorman's when they went out of business, so my costing of that is only about $2 and some change. It's only gonna probably cost about $3 and some change to ship, so nice profit there. And the last thing we got here is another DVD, $6.95. My costing of that is only a cool quarter. So there we go, 14 going out. I got 7 still waiting to be paid for. And like I said, so look, a lady ordered 4 of these. Hopefully she pays. Don't got no reason to think she won't, but we'll see. But if she do, there's one for $6.50, one for $6.25, one for $5, one for $3.99. So that will all go out as one. Of course, I'll combine shipping on that. They was all free shipping for her. And if it's under £1, it's $2.80. If it's not, it's only $3.33. And I'll make a nice little profit on that, seeing how my cost into all 4 of those will only be $1. And then I got some still waiting for somebody to pay for this makeup, shampoo, and the video game. So we'll see what happened with those things. Hopefully everything will go well with those. Got these 14 going out today. Nice Taco Tuesday, baby. You know, see y'all again. Do me a favor, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions or got any suggestions, leave a comment below. And also the link to my eBay store is down below. Why don't you go ahead and check it out? If you see something you like, shoot me a fair offer. 9 times out of 10 I'll accept it. All right, thank you, and I'll see you again soon.